everyone, welcome again to my kitchen and my channel. Now today we are making breakfast, and this is one of the healthiest breakfasts, which is grain-free, gluten-free, casein-free, soy-free, nut-free and vegan. So let's get started and let's see what recipe I'm talking about today. We are making flaxseed wraps. So this is easy for breakfast, or you want to take on the go for lunch any time of the day, right? Let's get started with our ingredients. Over here we have the brown flax seeds, and of course I have olive oil and Celtic salt and boiling water. Now I'm going to go ahead and grind it into powder, and I'll be back. Always have to freshly grind the flax seed because the nutritional value is very important. If you store it for longer days, it may not have the bioavailability of that, and that is going to really kill the whole nutritional value. And over here my pan is ready. I'm just gonna pour the water. And I'm going to add salt. You can add Celtic salt, Himalayan pink salt, sea salt, anything of your choice. And I'm just going to add the oil. This is olive oil, by the way. And I'm going to stir it in. Okay, as you can see, we see some bubbles over here, and now is the time to add our flax meal. This is more than 1 cup of flax meal, but you can use it according to how much you need for your family. You can see it's bubbling, so you need to reduce your heat and stir it really fast without lumps. Keep stirring it until it forms into a workable dough. Beautiful ball. See how it is forming into a dough. Let the moisture dry. Alright, as you can see, it is very well combined and rolled into a dough. Now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, maybe 1 tablespoon or so. Then just to grease it up and form into a non-sticky dough. Yeah. You can see that my water content is a little high over here, but definitely check out the description box for your measurements. And I'm just going to turn off my heat and let it cool for another 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, the dough is non-sticky right now because of the grease, but it still sticks to my hand, but that's okay. We're just going to make lemon-sized ball, and I'm just going to start rolling it in, and we need 2 parchment paper to roll it because it's too sticky. I'm just going to use olive oil, grease it in, and then put it in here. I'm just going to add a little bit more, so because I'm going to go ahead and cut it into a good shape, so it's better to add a bit more. And I'm just going to use my parchment paper on top. Okay, it's rolled into a dough over here. It is a little thick for our wrap. It works better when it is not too thin. It is thick. And over here, I'm not going to go ahead and shape it because we are going to wrap it and roll it. And let's see how we can cook it. Right, my tawa is really hot and I'm greasing up with olive oil. And it's the time to place our, I'm just smudging it in a little bit here. Not a perfect shape, but we are going to roll it into a wrap, so that's alright. Alright, I just flipped it and here we go. It's still cooking in the bottom and let it cook for another 30 to 60 seconds. As you can see, it is fluffing up like our puris, but this is definitely a flaxseed tortillas. And over here, there it is, it's done. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into my plate. And I have a bigger one right now that we are going to do the actual wrap. I'm going to go ahead and place it in. There you go. Let it sit for another 30 seconds or 60 seconds depending on your stove. I'm just going to grease it in here. There are many flaxseed recipes that I have posted in my channel. Definitely go ahead and look it up and post your comments. Alright, our spicy flaxseed tortilla is ready. I'm just going to transfer it into a plate. Okay, here we are. We have these fillings for our wrap over here, and this is the smallest one I made. I also have a giant one to show you guys. But over here, this is the avocado oil. I got it from Costco, and I'm going to go ahead and read the ingredients. It is very simple. It has avocado oil, organic cage-free eggs, organic cage-free egg yolks, organic vinegar, sea salt, organic rosemary extract. That means it contains egg, and this is a vegan recipe, the flaxseed tortilla, but if you don't want to use this because you're vegan, you can definitely use any kind of mayo sauce which does not have egg. So we are going to use this and we are going to use freshly cut. This is spinach and kale in here, and over here we have this garden salad, and I'm just going to go ahead and start rolling it in. First, I'm just going to go ahead and spread it the mayo sauce. On top, it really feels like a butter or margarine. Some people like that, but if you are on a dairy-free diet and you cannot use butter or margarine, this would be a great replacement for that. And over here, just going to use some spinach and garden salad. You can also use freshly shredded carrots, onions, tomatoes. It's totally up to you. Today I'm going green, so I'm using green veggies. And voila, here we go. Your wrap is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay, here is my mayo sauce. Okay, very nice. And remember guys, it's also cost effective. If you have to go to a deli or anywhere where you want to buy these healthy and delicious and nutritious wraps, it's going to cost you like anywhere to $5 to $6, but you made it in your home and it is really easy, fast, quick, and very healthy. Alright, our flaxseed tortilla wraps or our flaxseed wraps are ready, and as I said earlier, you can use any filling of your choice. As you all know, we all have different taste buds, but I respect every taste bud there is, and I love spicy wraps. I like garden wraps, but today we made like the garden salad wraps. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.